Hey everyone, I wanted to talk a little bit about growing herbs here in Northeast Florida. We have two distinct seasons for herbs. We have the hot or the warm season, and we have the cool or the cold season. And we grow different herbs at different times of year. So one of the most popular herbs for the warmer season is going to be something like basil. Some of our most popular herbs for the cool season, which we're heading into now, which I feel is prime time, are things like cilantro, dill, parsley, and fennel. Those are the big four for the cool season, and that's where we're headed now. What a lot of people don't realize is that you can preserve your herbs by making pestos at home. Most people know of basil pesto, which is one of the most popular, but really you can use any herb to prolong your season and your use of the herbs, because we do have short windows that we grow these herbs. It's not always year-round, so you can go online easily, look up some recipes for some simple pestos, and you can use any of your herbs. Once they're made, you can then freeze them, keep them in the freezer. You can make them in a large container and then put them into like ice cube trays, for example. Break them down into smaller bits, put them in the freezer in a bag or in a container, and then pull them out when you're ready to use them. That's a great way to preserve your herbs, especially things like basil. They can be tricky to grow here, but they can be very abundant during the warm season, but then in the winter they can be very difficult to grow. So by creating herb pestos, and like I said, it's not just basil, but it's all the herbs that we grow can be turned into a pesto. I was surprised the first time I looked into this. One of my favorites is cilantro pesto. I love Mexican dishes, and cilantro is a staple. Also, different types of Asian dishes use cilantro a lot, and so I make a cilantro pesto at home, and then I pull it out throughout the year rather than just having it in the wintertime. So come check us out here at Earthworks. We got plenty of herbs year-round. With the seasons, we sell them as seedlings, but also have some seeds, so you can start them from seeds as well. Check us out, and we'll see you next time.